Hello everyone, I am Pratyush and this is the video for the feedback of Unified Mentors Internship program. I was a web development intern there and it has been a great journey. It provided us with all the skills that are required nowadays to be a great web developer, and we were provided with projects, and all the projects explore the concept of web development. The mentors here are very supportive and provided us with links and source so that we can implement those skills in the projects. Anyone who wants to uh, enhance their development skills, this is the place where you can enhance your development skills. And I would like to thank all the staff of Unified Mentor who provided us support. Thank you.